So now that we've had an overview of the basic process, you get your RGB pass out of Houdini, you bring it into Nuke, you can split the channels into two, so you have your negative RGB values, your positive RGB values for more flexibility. Now we can take a look at putting the entire element together. So I just took one element last time, the energy ball. Now we're going to look at a whole set, and what we're going to be looking at is the core, and so that tiny dot in the center. And so then we'll go back to the full comp of the energy ball. So it's made up of another passes, pretty much the core, particles, electricity, and yeah, those are the three things. So the idea of what I want to do is I just want to have some really bright stuff at the center. And so that's what we have right here. It's very, very small, so you can see it's very pixelated because it's quite far away. So it needs to be bright, and we just need to break it up. So the energy core is it's just very bright stuff. We take these three passes and we blow it up. Really, this one just like covers it. Maybe these are redundant, but I had to do that. That was just part of the artistic process. I just needed to find it. And then this core, it wasn't enough, and it's sort of the same deal where it flickers, so there's some variation over time like that, so they're unstable. And then I wanted to add just some lines in here. So here's some like Tesla effects where these things reach out to the energy ball. And then we add the core particles. And so I just need this guy. And this is just to break up that shape. So it just puts a little break up on those spheres. And so you can see it's just this pass, so it's just, some little noise right there. And so you put it all together with Nuke using the same process, shuffling in your channels and then multiplying by your color. And then with, just the right grades, a huge number, 500. But for something like this, I can get away because it's very small, and, I just need it really bright, and I really need it to pop out. So I pumped that number. So that is basically, the three stages. As you can see, I have I have a dominant shape, subdominant, and then accent. So the main is the center core, made up of the energy core. Then the subdominant would be the inner Tesla, and then the accent is the core particle. So you can see how those sticking to those three, that proportion in everything I do, you can see how that adds up to the final result. And so it's pretty much whatever I do, I have that three rules. And I'm probably going to be repeating that in every video because I really want to hit that stuff home. So let's take a look at the energy. Actually, we'll just keep this one to Nuke compositing, I guess. And then we'll go look at the Houdini stuff next.